To look this good on me. So wow,
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away.
hello guys, how are you doing? It's your girl Morugi. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much to the new subscribers who joined us. I'm so grateful, and I'm so grateful my channel is growing, you guys. Thank you so much. If it were not for you, I wouldn't be shooting this video. Yeah, so I really appreciate, and like this video if you enjoy it, share, comment, yeah, do all those good things. Yeah, so today is on a Saturday and I'm just getting ready. Woo! Nanyongwa sijui mbona. So today is on a Saturday and I'm just getting ready to go to town. Yeah, so in the previous video you guys saw me doing some window shopping for a coffee table and a microwave, but I didn't find the variety. I didn't find anything that I wanted. So like I found out that Gilgil is kind of limited when you want something. So I'm thinking of going to Nakuru and check out if I can find something. But for the coffee table, I changed my mind. I'll have the coffee table done by a carpenter, and then the microwave, I'm not sure if I'll find one in Nakuru that I like. But if I don't find one in Nakuru, I saw a few in Gilgil, in Eastmart, and also in Chawaka supermarket. So I'll just, if I don't get one that I like in Nakuru, I'll just come back and buy one from one of those shops. Yeah, so I'm ready guys, and I'm running late, so I think we should just head out right away. So enjoy this video. I think I'll be showing you a few places. If I get what I want, I'll show you where to get them in Nakuru. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog. Yes, so thank you so much for staying tuned. Enjoy the video.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah.
Utaikuja sanga?
6:30.
Sawa.
Nitakuwa bado. Sawa.
Wanna did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic.
Au tunaweza itest tu kwanza.
Solo ndio yule anaandikia sijui ni nini ile.
Wewe unataka kwanza nipike keki.
Address.
Nataka ninunue unga, nipike keki. Nilo kwanza masahani zingine, sinia zingine tunapika, zinaitwa kama mkonazo.
Unaitwaje?
Sasa ina
Kali dashi.
Ndio kala.
Unaitwaje?
Hello guys, good morning. It's around 10 a.m. I'm just from church and church was amazing. So yesterday I went to Nakuru and I forgot, okay, I didn't forget, I was so tired. I got home late and I was not able to update you guys on what I did yesterday, but I'll be doing that right away, you guys, right away. So this is my outfit of the day. Yeah, so this is what I had worn to church. This cute top that was gifted to me by a friend, and these palazzo pants that I had shown you guys. So that's what I had worn to church today. Yeah, that's what I had worn to church today, and I'm looking like rate my OTD. Rate my OOTD, guys. Oh, and I had a blazer, you guys. Yeah, I'm a bit conservative, by the way, so I had a blazer. I didn't go looking like this, so I had this blazer on, this black blazer. Yeah, so that's how I was looking like in church today. So I really love this top. I didn't know it would look this good. It would look this good on me with the pants. Like wow, yeah, I love it. Comment down below on what you think about it. So guys, I'm going to go straight into showing you the things that I got yesterday in Nakuru. Yeah, I actually took very little time. I didn't think I would get the things I got, but there was this one thing that stressed me out. I will explain as we move. So I'm going to start with the small items that I got. So I got some kitchen towels. The ones I have are old and some are burnt. I usually burn them a lot, mostly when cooking ugali, so I had to replace them. And then you guys remember the hook I had put in the kitchen, so that hook has been like that, empty without any towels. I had bought it for kitchen towels, but I have never put any towels. But I got a few, and I got this one here. It's so cute, by the way. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see the color properly, but I got this one. This one was going for 120 bob, I guess. This one was 80 bob. This one was 100 bob. I love it. I love it. It's gray and white. It's so pretty, guys. Yeah, so this was 100 bob, and this was, I can't remember really, but it was ranging between 80 to 100 bob, and it is very heavy, guys. It's very heavy. I love it. So I got different colors because I didn't know what color to get, but I was very confused. All of this costed 430 bob, 430 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, and I got them from a shop in Moonlight Building, first floor. The shop is called Zippy's Collections. So that's where I got the kitchen towels. Like, she has so many varieties. I was confused. Yeah, then I got these pillowcases, throw pillowcases. This one here. How pretty is this, guys? I love it. I love it so much. So I got this. It was going for 400 shillings, 400 Kenya shillings, and I got this from Walmart Central. Walmart, the main Walmart, yeah, the one you know, the main Walmart supermarket. So that's why I got this. I got 2 of them. You guys, these people have a variety of these pillowcases. Though the ones that were there, the many that were there were patterned, so I went for this pattern. I was also confused. Even the attendant there was looking me like yeah, I told him I am confused, and then he told me the plain colors for these people already took them, so I wanted to get some plain colors, 2 plain colors, and then these to mix and match and play with them, you know. But now I didn't find a plain color that I love. There was only one plain color, that was orange, and I don't know where I can put orange in my house, so I decided to leave that. But he told me they had plain colors, they were chosen by people, yani zilikuwa zishachaguliwa. So he told me I can go check at some other time. So this is what I got, and I love them. They're so cute. We'll see how they will look on the couch. Then I got these jars. They're beautiful, guys. Now let me tell you guys, I got these jars. It was going for 425 Kenyan shillings. So I got this jar as I was looking for a flower vase. So I wanted a flower vase, but I didn't find a flower vase in those supermarkets, and it was getting late. Then I decided, because I've been looking for jars, and I might I'll be using one for the sugar, for my sugar, and then the other one is for putting in cookies and biscuits. Yeah, so that the aesthetics, you guys. So I got this one so that at least I can use one of them. I can use this as a flower vase for now. Yeah, so I love them. I love them. So this is one of them, and this is the twin. Here is the twin. So here is the twin. So I got 2 of them here. Let me place them here before I break them. Yeah, so now the reason I was looking for flower vases is because I got flowers, you guys. I got flowers. Yeah, so I got flowers, as you can see. They're beautiful. And I got 2 bunches of flowers, of roses. I got the red and the yellow. Yeah, and you see, you guys, can you even see how beautiful they look? And they're so fresh. They're so fresh. Yes, you guys, one of this bunch was going for 100 shillings. It was going for 100 shillings, you guys. So I got both of them at 200 bob. Yeah, so I'll just put them back in the water. I got them for 200 shillings. You guys, if your boyfriend knows that you love flowers and they don't get you flowers, you should get yourself a new boyfriend. Yeah, so I got these flowers at 200 bob. Now after, the flowers are from Walmart. They usually have flowers, like most of the time they have flowers near the cashiers section. You will find fresh flowers. Thank me later. So that's it. What else did I get? Okay, I don't know what to start with. Okay, let's finish with the pillows. So I got these throw pillows. These are fiber, guys. They are fiber. I got these, and this. I got 2 fiber pillows. The ones I have for the couch are not as comfortable, so I decided to replace with these. But I wasn't actually looking for these. I was just looking for throw pillows, any, not just fiber filled pillows. So I had already bought these. I'd already bought this by the time I got to this shop, you guys. So I felt so bad because these ones are not fiber, but they might last longer. I'm not sure. I haven't tried and tested, but the shop I got these from, they had the fiber pillows, but they were selling them at 350. And then when I went to this shop, they were selling these fiber pillows at 200 bob, you guys. So I still got these from that other shop because I hadn't seen these ones. And then when I got to this shop, I wouldn't leave this behind. I just got them. So I got 4 pillows. Then okay, I'll explain when I'm done with this. So I also got this duvet cover, you guys. It's a duvet cover, and this duvet cover was going for 2100 in the shop that I got these pillows. These pillows were going for 250, but I bargained. I bought them at 200 bob. So this duvet in that shop was going for 2100. And then I went to the other shop where I got these. This duvet cover was going for 1900 shillings, you guys. Like, I felt so bad. Yani, afadhali ningezunguka kwanza so that I would buy, so that I would have bought kizungu mkuti, man. So I wish I had gone to this shop first because I had already bought these 2 and this. And this was going for 2100. The other shop, it was going for 1900, you guys. So ukienda kushop, zunguka kwanza, ambia huyo mtu nitarudi. Yeah, so I learned the hard way. So yeah, I got this. Let's see and feel the material. So it comes as a set. It has what are these? I think this is the bed sheet. It has a bed sheet. I love this. Oh my god. This is so good, you guys. I love it. So wow, it's nice cotton bed sheets. As you can see, they're very nice. I wish you could feel the material from the other side of the camera. So they're very nice, and it has some pillowcases. This is one. This is one. No, there are 2. So it has 2 pillowcases, you guys. I love this. Oh my god. And they're not as light. they're not so light. Yeah, this is good material. Yeah, so you can check out, this is the duvet cover, guys. This is now the duvet cover. So it comes as a set, a duvet cover, a bed sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So you can get these at there's this shop, beddings and deco shop, but what I saw in their shop was just beddings mostly na neti za nyumba. Yeah, so that's what I saw in the shop. But yeah, so that shop is opposite Shell petrol station in town center near Stage Mart, side ya chini ya Shell petrol station. You see that shop. That's why I got this at 2100. But there's a shop, it's called Wakaguku Junior, not the Wakaguku store that is your side ya soko. There's the Wakaguku Junior store that is near East Africa Cosmetics, if you know where that is. Hiyo njia ya Best Lady yenye iko town. You see this Best Lady where when you are at their door, outside you're facing Gilanis. So that Best Lady, utateremka tu kabisa, you pass East Africa Cosmetics, I guess that's something cosmetics, and then utaona nje mahali kumehangiwa duvets, kuna carpets. So that's Wakaguku Junior. So utaingia kwa hiyo building, first floor. Yes, so that's a plug, you guys. Thank me later. I learned my lesson. So I think that's it with the clothes. Yeah, that's it with the clothes. So I think I'll move these because I want to unbox now the microwave with you guys. So here is the microwave that I got. Sorry guys, I'm using the selfie camera, but I got the Ramton's microwave. This is the, which model? This is the warranty, guys. This is the warranty. So this is the warranty. It has a 1-year warranty. I was told they have others which have 2 years warranty, but now this is the design I loved. So this is the Ramton's microwave. The model is RM458. That's what I got, and I got this at Walmart. You guys, I'm not even advertising Walmart, but I feel it's like a one-stop and shop. Yes, especially their main supermarkets. They're calling it Walmart Central, the one uko juu kabisa, Kenyatta Avenue. Yeah, that one. So I got this microwave at 9,995 shillings. Yes, so I loved it. I don't know why, but I like the design. I wanted a microwave that has a pull, that handle, yeah, to pull, yeah, that, and also not with the 2 knobs, but this one has one. This one has a knob here for the timer, weight, and the menu, but the rest is buttons. So I loved it, and also it's black in color. So that's what enticed me. So let's unbox it with you. It's quite heavy. So yes, this is the microwave, guys. I don't know if you can see, but Can you see? This place is quite shiny, but yeah, so that's how it looks like. It has everything here, the plates, and yeah, the manual is in here. So this is it. Let me give you guys a closer look. So this is what I was saying about this menu, this place. So the control panel, that is, so it has this one knob. It's for the timer, weight, auto menu. I will learn as I go. Then it has the start and plus 30 seconds, or to confirm the input that you put. Then this is the clock here. Then to stop and to clear. Then microwave and wait time and defrost. And then this is the display timer. I wanted a microwave that has this display here, so I will install it, and I don't know where to put it in the kitchen, but I will figure out. So that's everything that I got yesterday. Oh, I forgot. I don't know how to show you. They are dirty. This is what I worn today, but I got these cute sandals in Nakuru yesterday at Masai Market. You see that area where they sell Masai stuff, Masai Market, opposite Merika Hotel. So I got these at 700 bob. They were going for 750. I bargained and I got them at 700 shillings. I don't know if it was a win or a loss. Yeah, but I got these ones from there's a stall that is uko mwisho. As you go up, the second last store, there's a lady selling these shoes, both for ladies and for gentlemen. Now the problem was looking for the pillowcases. You guys, I struggled. I really struggled looking for the pillowcases. Yeah, the throw pillowcases. I really struggled, and I didn't know Walmart have a variety. Like they have so many. They have so many throw pillowcases. I mean, and I went there and told that attendant, akina vile nimezitafuta hii Nakuru. And they are very nice material, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but the material is so good. This material is so good. And they had like 3 different materials that are so good. Yeah, so I'm not advertising them. It's because I really struggled looking for the throw pillowcases. Yeah, so I got them at Walmart. So I think that's everything that I got. The next thing that I will do is just wash all the beddings and the pillowcases and the kitchen towels. I'll do that either today or tomorrow. Tomorrow is a public holiday, by the way. So later I will organize the flowers. I haven't organized them yet. I will just use one of these jars as a vase for now. And if you know a place in Nakuru where I can get flower vases, please comment down below. Tusaidianeni. I forgot to mention, I'll give you guys a review of this microwave after I have used it. Right now I'm not going to say it's good or bad because I haven't used it yet, but I'll be giving you guys a review later on, so that if you're interested to buy the same microwave, it's quite affordable. I was not looking for something expensive, so yeah, I will give you guys a review after some time. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.